Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so simply tap on it and choose the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on History, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, you can remove only one of it just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, just tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced, we've got also the saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. Of course, you can remove all of them, just make sure that they will be marked. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. All you have to do right now, if you're ready, tap on Clear Data. Tap on Clear. And as you can see, the history is empty, the history is cleared, so it means that we successfully removed all browsing data. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.